Zindagi, what is this metaverse? Can you explain, please?
Okay, let me tell you. What is Metaverse and how can it make you millionaire? The Metaverse is a hypothesized iteration of the Internet, supporting persistent online 3D virtual environments through conventional personal computing, as well as virtual and augmented reality headsets.
No, I can't understand. Can you explain in simple words?
I think I should connect you to Sarah. She will explain this in an interesting way and style.
What is Metaverse? The Metaverse is a concept of a persistent, online, 3D universe that combines multiple different virtual spaces. The Metaverse will allow users to work, meet, game, and socialize together in these 3D spaces. The Metaverse isn't fully in existence, but some platforms contain Metaverse-like elements. Video games currently provide the closest Metaverse experience on offer. Developers have pushed the boundaries of what a game is through hosting in-game events and creating virtual economies. Blockchain, Metaverse-like applications already exist and provide people with livable incomes. Second Live and Decentraland are other examples of successfully mixing the blockchain world and virtual reality apps. However, the decentralized aspects of the blockchain industry is letting smaller players participate in the metaverse's development as well. NFTs, blockchain games, and crypto payments aren't just limited to crypto geeks anymore. The metaverse is a concept of an online, 3D, virtual space connecting users in all aspects of their lives. It would connect multiple platforms, similar to the internet containing different websites accessible through a single browser. However, while the idea of a metaverse was once fiction, it now looks like it could be a reality in the future. Besides supporting gaming or social media, the metaverse will combine economies, digital identity, decentralized governance, and other applications. Even today, user creation and ownership of valuable items and currencies help develop a single, united metaverse. All these features provide blockchain the potential to power this future technology. Because of the emphasis on 3D virtual reality, video games offer the closest metaverse experience currently. Video games now offer services and features that cross over into other aspects of our lives. The video game Roblox even hosts virtual events like concerts and meetups. Players don't just play the game anymore, they also use it for other activities and parts of their lives in cyberspace. If, in the future, we work, socialize, and even purchase virtual items in the metaverse, we need a secure way of showing ownership. Blockchain developers also take influence from the video game world too. While Axie Infinity doesn't provide a singular 3D character or avatar, it gives users the opportunity for a metaverse-like job. While a single, united metaverse is likely a long way off, we already can see developments that may lead to its creation. It looks to be yet another sci-fi use case for blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies. But in the meantime, we can already experience metaverse-like projects and continue to integrate blockchain more into our daily lives.